Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be unboxing some of the Stormi collection products. I sent this to my mom on Instagram and I said, whatever you can get me, get me. So I know that there's some Stormi stuff in here from her newest collection, but I don't know what's in here, what she got me. So I'm going to open it up with you guys, do a little unboxing, and let's see what is in this box. I have my green knife here, safety guard on, of course, and I'm just going to open this box up. It looks so gorgeous. So for those that have never ordered from Kylie, this is what the inside of the box looks like. Always has like this nice like protective foam, like what you got, which I'm not gonna look at. You get like a little card from Kylie that says, good choice, love these products you picked. Hope you enjoy them as much as I do. XOXO, Kylie Jenner. So it has that nice touch as well, because I mean, who does, like, that's Kylie's writing right there, you know what I mean? Even though they're like printed over and over, I bet, it's still nice to have. So I'm going to open this up. I love how like, I love how protected like they make these boxes. Oh my goodness, okay. This is a lot of stuff. I wasn't expecting all this. So this is what the inside looks like with all of the products in here. Ooh, okay, let's get into it. How much stuff did you get me?
It's the whole collection.
Oh my gosh, she got me the whole Stormi collection. I was like looking in here because I just sent her like the stuff. I never really like, oh, there's like 10 things, there's 5 things. Like I just was like, I sent her the picture, whatever you can get me, get me. And she got me the whole collection, you guys. My mom is literally the best. I can't believe it. Like, how did I get so lucky? Like, I don't know. How is she my mom? I just don't get it. So, oh my god, I've never had a Kylie Cosmetics, Kylie Jenner blush before. So this is the pressed blush powder in Flutter in Love. And the reason why I felt like I loved this collection so much is because like the way she loves her daughter. It's like the way I love Isaiah. Like when you have a child, like you want to give them everything. And the love that she has for Stormi, it was like, I need this collection, because you know she put like her heart into this collection because it's her daughter. So, oh my god, and I love that it says Stormi. Like, come on. Like, I wish I was like a billionaire so I could make a blush that says Isaiah. Like, come on. Like, that's just, this is probably going to be my everyday blush. I'll swatch it for you guys, but please don't mind like my patchy self-tanner that I need to scrub off. Like, it's been way overdue. It needs to come off. But I'm going to just kind of swatch. That's literally like the perfect color. I'm not sure if it's going to show up right now, but it's this color right here. If I have to zoom in on my editor, I will. But that is like the perfect pink tone that I have been like looking for in a blush. And I've been like mixing blushes. I've been just, you know, trying to find the right blush for me. And that looks like it's going to be it. The packaging even has the butterflies on the inside. The outside has the glitter, kind of reminds me of her birthday collection, but it's like purple glitter, says Stormi. Just, I'm a sucker for packaging. I pretty much say this in all my unboxing videos. Like, I love the packaging just as much as the makeup. Like, I feel like that just kind of makes it for me. So, look at this one. The glitter is all over it. And this is kind of cool because you could give this to a gift. You could put like, to so-and-so from Gina, or you know what I mean? Love mom. Like if she could have wrote whatever she wanted. That's just cool that you can kind of give this to someone as a little gift. This is a mini liquid lipstick and lip liner. So kind of like her lip kits, but this one's just mini. I hope I don't have like lipstick on my teeth. Like I feel like I might, but don't. If I do, that's just what makeup is. Sometimes you have lipstick on your teeth. So this is so cute. Look at these, you guys. This is like perfect like if you're traveling or you're using like a little clutch and you don't want to bring a big lipstick. This is perfect. Let's swatch it. This one is called Give Me Butterflies. Oh, that is so pretty. Let me put the lip liner beside it, and it's Give Me Butterflies as well. It's the same color. Once again, if I have to zoom in, I will, but I just want to show you guys everything in the collection. So this is what that looks like, the lip liner and the liquid lipstick. I love having a lip liner because I feel like I can get like that precise look instead of having like a wonky lipstick line. You can do the lip liner first and then put the liquid lipstick on top. And that is like a really gorgeous color. This one is also mini liquid lipstick and lip liner. And this one is Head in the Clouds. I wonder how like they come up with names for makeup. I feel like that would be so fun, like trying to come up with names. I'd have to have one for my dog. It would be called Ceci. Like just the name would be Ceci. Oh my god, this color is so gorgeous too. Now I'm like trying to think, how am I going to do my makeup tomorrow? Like what color am I going to use? And the cool thing is when you get like these kits, you can kind of mix and match the colors. Like, oh, maybe I want to use this lip liner with this lipstick or vice versa. So it's super cool. This is what this color looks like. Head in the Clouds right here with the same lip liner. Let's open up the last liquid lip and liner. And this one is called Stormi. Oh, that's such a pretty like pinkish nude color. This, I feel like the Stormi color is definitely like an everyday shade when you're going for like a nude. Love that. Alright, I'm going to turn my arm like this, but I'm going to do them a little bit further back so I don't have to like twist my arm and you can see them better. But that is what Stormi looks like. Perfect nude color. Every single day you could wear that. Love it. So let's continue on. Okay, so this is called the Mini High Gloss Collection. The packaging, once again, all the mini liquid lipsticks. Not the blush, but this has the little to and from too if you wanted to buy this and give it as a gift. Okay, and this comes with 2, 4, 6 high, like mini high gloss collection. So let's open them up. Oh my god, these are so pretty. Okay, so this is what they look like. Let me just hold them all up. You get 2 pink covers, 2 purplish colors, and 2 yellow color on top, like the covers. This is what they look like. I'm going to swatch them as well. I'm going to do them down just a little bit lower. So this one right here is called Stormaloo, I think. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see because this one is a clear, but it has like purple like flecks in it. And I love like their mini. So that is Stormaloo. Has purple like little flecks in it, like nice glitter. This one is called My Little Aquasaurus, I think. You guys know I'm not good at names. Like I'm really not. Like I don't know what it is. I was never really that good of a reader. Like don't pick me in the classroom to read the next like chapter because it wasn't going to happen. Okay? I always used to say no. Or my mom would say to me, I'll buy you an Alex and Ani if you read the next, and then the next day I would read, and girl, I got my Alex and Ani. I was stacking up on those because that was the only way I would read because I was getting an Alex and Ani. But I just wasn't, I did not like reading because I felt so uncomfortable because I would always mess up. So maybe that's where like my like not reading like the names correctly, maybe that's where that comes from. So this one is called Deepest Love, and it's like a nice pink shade right here. Did I show you guys what Stormaloo looked like? No, My Little Aquasaurus right there. And then this one is called Deepest Love. So those are really nice. This one right here is Little Sunshine. I like that it has the little yellow cover because it's like sunshine. And I bet like this color would look perfect over like Stormi. Because I feel like with like my patchy self-tanner, and plus it's on my arm, it's not on my lips, that you can't really tell the color. But this one right here is Little Sunshine. This one is Sweet Dream. Also has the yellow cover. These just on top of like liquid lipsticks or regular lipsticks would be just like perfection. Just because I don't know how well they're showing up. This one is called Sweet Dream. The last high lip gloss, the mini lip gloss, is called, there's no name on this one. I don't have a name. Maybe they forgot to put the sticker. That's very pretty. I'll have to like go on her page and figure out the name for you guys, but this one is really pretty. It's a nice pink color as well right here. Those are so pretty. I love me some lip glosses. And the packaging inside is all butterflies. Even like down, the whole thing is butterflies. Not just the lip, like the whole thing is butterflies. So it's like a double-sided package. That's so cute. I can't believe my mom got me the whole collection. Because when like the package came in, she's like, you know, I could only get you what I could get, like, you know, blah, blah, blah. Like, I just didn't get you the whole thing. And I was like, that's fine. Like, and then when I opened it up and she just said, I got you the whole thing, I was like, girl, that is crazy. Alright, so I'm going to swatch the palette for you guys. Alright, so I just wiped off the liquid lipstick and the lip glosses and the blush. And I'm going to swatch the gorgeous palette. This palette is so stunning. I have to create a look with this. Like, this is just gorgeous. So I'm going to read you guys the names of them, and I'm also going to swatch them. So I'm going to start from left to right all the way down. So the first one is 443. I bet that's like when she was born, like when Stormi was born. 443. We also have Butterfly Babe, Perfect Storm, Angel on Earth, Stormy Weather, Love Without Limits, Stormy World, Baby Girl, and Forever Thing. So I read from this one all the way down to this one. If you guys want to see like me create a look with this, I will film it if you guys want to see it. Because maybe I'll just film it anyways. Like, you guys don't even have to like say film it. Like, I'll just film it anyways for like, those people that don't want to comment, or you know, I'm like that too sometimes with videos. So I'll film it. Don't worry. I'll film a look with this palette so you guys can see. Look at these swatches. Like, I just can't. Can you guys see that? Like the glitter, the shine, absolutely stunning. So the first, I'm just going to hold my arm like this. The first color is 443. Second, third, I'm just going to say 443, Butterfly Babe, Perfect Storm, Angel on Earth, Stormy Weather, Love Without Limits, Stormy World, Baby Girl, and Forever Thing. These colors are so extremely pigmented. Like, I already see like 5 different looks I could create using this palette. It's definitely a very versatile palette. You can do more of a neutral look, you can do more of a colorful look, you can do more glam, more subtle. It gives you so many options, and I love palettes like that, but I also love palettes that have colors, because you can do a neutral nude look, but you can also add a pop of color on your lower lash line, or add some glitter in your inner corner, or all over your lid, or whatever you really want to do. I love when companies put together a palette that is so customizable to different looks. So this palette is definitely it. I love it. I can't wait to create multiple looks with this, and I will definitely film a video of me creating a look using this collection. If you guys want to see that, it will be coming. I will have to film it definitely sometime this week, but I will get it up when I can get it up for you guys. But oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't believe my mom got me the whole collection. I'm kind of shook, still kind of like, what? Like, I can't believe it. I wasn't expecting the whole collection. I was expecting, like, you know, the eyeshadow palette, you know, a liquid lipstick. Like, I wasn't expecting the whole thing. Like, I still can't believe it. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this absolutely beautiful collection, from the packaging, from the swatches, the pigment. I am just really, really happy with this collection, and I can't believe that I have it. Like, I'm so excited. If you guys enjoyed watching me unbox and swatch this collection, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know that you guys enjoyed this video. If you aren't subscribed and are just stopping by, my name is Gina. Make sure to click that subscribe button. And for those that are already subscribed, stay tuned for my next video, and I will see you divas in my next video. Bye, guys.